and reinstall your rotors. Now if you've ordered new rotors, because the other rotors, if you bought these before January of 2018, like I say, they're at a 42 degree angle, and we move them to a 32 degree angle. You're going to get more impact on the carpet and you're not going to overspin your rotors. Make sure you get your O-rings right here. Make sure those are in place. That's going to be your right side. Again, normal thread. So that's why you want to do this upside down, so you make sure that this O-ring stays in place here. Again, this is reverse thread. Just get them a little snug, you don't have to over tighten them. Normal righty tighty lefty loosey on these caps. 12mm. You don't have to over tighten them, they don't take a whole lot, just snug them up and you should be able to rock and roll.